Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. This is Ian. It is the 8th of December, 2022. And we're going to continue in a different way today, looking at some of the really cool and creative ways that you can use card landing pages with something like testimonials to really sell a high end service to clients in your either local community or your niche community or professional peers. And I just happened to stumble upon this in the last few minutes. This is actually the One Page Love curated design site, which has sort of a curated list of really cool, really beautiful one-page designs. So I actually saw this today and I checked it out. So if you look at this here, this is a really cool new, it's called profilepicture.ai, and it really is pretty cool. It actually allows you to create these really interesting and artistic renditions of your own profile as an AI. And I'll show you some of the examples of this. Not the point of this particular video. What is the point, though, is how effectively they're actually using testimonials to sell this service, right? So this is a landing page for them. I don't think it's built on CARRD. It's certainly not much better than a CARRD style design, but they use these testimonials taken from Twitter, which you can easily do using the testimonial service to curate all these really cool, sort of wall of love shout outs to the service. It certainly helps sell the service quite effectively. I don't know how much this actually costs. I'm not really interested in this. I'm more interested simply in the design, which is why I check out One Page Love all the time anyway, because they have really great examples of beautifully designed landing pages. So what I did really quickly, just to show you how easy this is to emulate with CARRD and testimonials, is I embedded a testimonials widget. Actually, here it's just an embed code with the script from testimonials, the exact same service these folks here are using, right, on a card. And then I essentially published it. So here's the landing page that I created. This is ostensibly for Circle. It's a review of the Circle platform, which I review for them as an affiliate. And then you can see here are all those testimonials the same exact way that these folks here are doing with a, pretty obviously, high profile product launch that you can see is getting a lot of love, a lot of attention on social media, and they're selling a bunch of these. And again, they're using testimonials quite successfully here in this scrolling, featured area below. And again, just so you understand, you can take this embed and move it all over the place, right? So this is again using CARRD. Let's save this. And all I'm doing here is grabbing this code that I added via a embed on my card. I'm saving it. I'm publishing the changes. And now we're going to have this much more prominently positioned in the content of the landing page itself. All right, and you can play with this until it looks exactly as you want. So I could even move it higher. The other thing that's really nice about this approach is you can actually do this, what I'm showing you right now, for affiliate products. So you can grab, this is an affiliate review, but you could grab the reviews for an affiliate product and publish that on a high converting landing page like this, and certainly make more money as an affiliate. So now you see how prominent these reviews are in the, kind of above the fold area of this particular landing page that I created on CARRD. Right? This took literally minutes. I mean, minutes to do, because I have this saved as a CARRD template, this design. So all I'm doing is copying the template and then doing another review for another service, another company, another product, another platform. And I could continuously embed reviews if I wanted to on each respective landing page. So if you're selling a high-end service, the key takeaway to this whole video is if you're selling a landing page service to folks in your local community, to realtors for social media, for their Instagram link and bio page, to CPAs, financial advisors, restaurants, etc., you can combine testimonials and CARRD and really have yourself an amazing business literally in a short afternoon with no gimmicks, no bullshit, no gurus, no nonsense, no sort of overhyped, kind of promises. Just get to work, get your hands dirty, roll up your sleeves and start finding folks to email and offering them to convert their social media nonsensical landing page that they may have right now into a powerhouse of conversions for their brand using something like CARRD and their own testimonials. And you're going to have a hard time not getting new sales, new clients, and new conversions every day. I don't care if you're a carpenter, if you're a roofer, if you're a restaurant, if you're a high-end financial advisor, you want as many people saying nice things about you and your business as you possibly can. And you want to show those people saying nice things about you and your business as frequently as you can. So if you have a landing page that puts this sort of thing front and center, you're going to sell more services, whether it's AI pictures or whether it's roofing, whether it's sushi, whether it's, Strombolis, whether it's high-end financial services. It's just common sense, right? So don't struggle finding the right offer. Put these two offers together, CARRD and testimonials, and you will have all the clients that you can possibly imagine. If you want to work with us in a small group, I'll be leading another cohort on doing this sometime in late December. So you'll work with me over the course of 30 days. You will get new clients every day, I promise, if you try and apply the exact sequence of steps that we're going to show you. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you as always so much for watching. If you want to join us, send me an email, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and I'll send you a early link to our next cohort, which again should be available in the next 10 or 12 days. Thanks.